front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and this switcher, in my case pink one, next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, all of those options are disabled and my switcher is gray. That means that Google Autofill is off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!